All right, I'm gonna give y'all a quick version of packing for a 7-day cruise for the Vloggers Extravaganza. So this section of my suitcase is nothing but daytime wear. So I got casual shirts as well as t-shirts, and then shorts. Got some khakis, got some blue jeans, got some other blue jeans, got white, got kind of like an army green color, and then there's some black ones down there somewhere. So that's all daytime wear. This packing cube is full of sundresses and dresses for the evening for dinner. At the bottom here, that's my purple dress for the night that we are wearing purple. All of the ladies, we're going to an Italian restaurant and we're wearing purple. Blue jean jacket because most of these sundresses are spaghetti strap. And I know that the ship gets cold, so I want to make sure that I'm covered. And then that side zips up like that. Just not zipped up right now. Packing cube full of unmentionables. Yeah, you know what defines unmentionables. This packing cube has all my swimsuits. I have 3 swimsuits as well as a cover-up. Most of them are 3 pieces. Got my beach bag at the bottom of there. Disinfectant spray. I don't go nowhere without it. I got some straws in case I decide to indulge in some frozen drinks because you know the cruise lines are giving out those nasty candy straws and I don't like them. This is full of shoes. I've got, let's see if I can open it with one hand. Got my sandals. I've got flip-flops in here, so all of those fit nice into that bag. I've got a bag underneath that I could put some of my dirty clothes in. And then my toiletry bag is there. And this is the big suitcase for that's being checked in. Okay, now for my carry-on, I've got an outfit to wear in New Orleans. Got some pajamas just when I'm going back and forth to the bathroom so I don't moon everybody. I have my channel t-shirt. I have an 80s shirt. There is supposed to be an 80s night, so I got a 80s shirt that has a Rubik's Cube and all of that fun stuff. You'll see that. Socks, couple unmentionables, the embarkation shirt, and some leggings because it's supposed to be cool and rainy on Sunday when we get on the ship. Got some ballerina flats, plenty of masks, and then this side is a hot mess, y'all, so I apologize in advance. But I'm doing cruising ducks, so there is a ton of ducks all through here. I got allergy meds. I got my makeup bag. I've got Band-Aids. I've got my EpiPen just in case of an allergic reaction. I've got all my, not all of my electronics, but my water camera and SD cards and chargers for that. I have, the picture's kind of all jacked up now, but I've got a power outlet where you can do the traditional plugs as well as USBs. More cleaning materials, little portable sprays and wipes. Got some poopery, some room spray, some hand sanitizer. Got a new bonnet. So yeah, this side lint roller. This side got a little bit of everything. It looks junky, but it's everything that I need. And then for my book bag, I got my AirPods. I got some Tylenol. This little pocket right here is disinfectant wipes and hand sanitizer. That case right there has got all of my chargers and portable batteries and USB cords and all of that fun stuff. Wallet, my travel folder, which has anything we could possibly need. It's got itineraries, it's got hotel confirmation, boarding passes, receipts of stuff that we've already paid for. So you name it, it's in that folder. And then I got my iPad back there. And this pocket. Got my inhaler and my passport. So yep, that is the quick version of my packing video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't already done so, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.